Our next function is going to be instead of read or review, we would like to find by simply putting certain keywords such as coding or maybe read or comic or football, right, or anything to search whether uh, certain task which is available in the database. So what I'm going to do here is we go back to our our script. We add another task here, define find task, and we ask the user, let's import and search by task. Okay, and then we need to put the parameter query, just put a comment here, like. So the command for the SQLite will be select all from to the table where task, which is the field name, like, and this is the placeholder. Okay, then we need to wrap it by using the Python functions. So simply put here is got this, and so okay, and then plus this is the one, task input, and then plus concatenate plus, okay, this is, and then we assign it to parameter query c.execute. So all right, we are calling, this SQLite3 command by asking, by searching based on the input given by the user, and then we need to call the output, since that we assign it into with a parameter query here. So for row in parameter query, we print row 0, same as the above. I will show you what does it mean by row 0 and row 1 after this, but just proceed with this. Now, then let's save and put here our menu. Simply copy here and then paste down here. Instead of R, we replace it as find. So find dash. Okay. See whether look at this. Okay, let's run this. Clear up. Ctrl C, Python main.py, R review, print, quit. I see. Because we haven't yet put in here. So to be part-5. Fine. That's let me see. Sorry. I think I would like to go for better one with S. That word search dash. S. Again, run this. Oh, in py search task. Right, we simply put here R. We got 3 rows of data, which is 3 tasks, which is coding Python, read a comic, and play football. And if I put here read, so just only one read, so it's not. I think here what went wrong. Read, okay, I'm going to fix this. Find class, parameter q. Okay, let me clear up these things. Okay. And here with our our scripting, what went wrong here? I see. Okay, here's the error. Suppose this is a single placeholder, right? Is this the same as the new task here? So, and then even it is single, so then we need to end it with a comma. So just want to show you to make things. All right. Put here comma. To show you that how things work. And again, Python main.py, and put here R, read or review task. Okay, let's see, we put here play. No, right. Sorry, it's supposed to be S. Choose one only. as that's okay. Play. All right. So this third one is play football. So what if I again search for um, coding, Python? Python, yes, that's good. If I put here Python and it find coding Python. I would like to insert more, such as buy groceries, groceries. And then put here R, okay, put here buy groceries, and search buy groceries. This buy keywords, so it find the buy groceries. Okay, I think that's good enough. Thanks for watching the video tutorial. If you like the video and haven't yet subscribed, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Python Hat channel. By the way, if you have the means, you can support us and click the link given below, coffee.com/PythonHat, by buying or tip us coffee. See you soon. Again, thank you very much.